I was called into this case by Mr. David Fedor, who was the man who actually was hired originally on the case. My firm belief in this case is that it took less than 3 hours before the police were convinced this man was guilty of this crime. They were fast-tracking him. When I got involved in this case, they were fast-tracking him. And so when he was arrested by the police and they found out he was a bookie right away, because he told them, the police, took a different view of things. When Brian Kappenhurst went over there, I believe he was obsessed with this money, and then he had to have it. There was a doctor that testified. He was a forensic pathologist named Dr. Marcus that testified in this case, and I vehemently objected to his testimony.
You can see the break right there.
He wasn't an orthopedic surgeon, nor could he identify a single muscle, tendon, or ligament in this man's left arm. What's he basing this testimony on? And he didn't base it on any science or any studies or anything else. He'd never seen a case like this before. He was not an orthopedic surgeon.
As to the charge of the murder of Tammy Parker, we, the jury, unanimously find the defendant guilty.
Was I surprised by what happened today? No, I really wasn't surprised, because the perception of Brett Parker in the community and in the news media here was, this man was already tried and convicted.